The Mokwheel Obsidian Electric Bike appears strong and ready for a rugged journey. The thick tires that draw immediate attention and a frame painted in a camouflage-inspired pattern. The matte finish highlights the contoured frame, while the built-in battery design blends neatly with the structure. The seat and handlebars present a sleek black contrast, showcasing both a sense of practicality and boldness. The headlight sits forward on the fork, giving the bike a purposeful look, and the rear suspension adds a confident stance that suggests it could handle unpredictable surfaces. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I remove the packaging straps and open the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down. I slid the e-bike out carefully, stand the e-bike up, and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the Mokwheel Obsidian Electric Bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork, add the front wheel, and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. I embarked on a long, memorable ride through the rolling hills and winding roads of the North Georgia mountains on the Mokwheel Obsidian Electric Bike, an experience that unraveled the many facets of this impressive machine. From the moment I laid eyes on its striking design, dominated by its camouflage color palette, I sensed that this bike would offer more than just a means of transportation. The Obsidian's physical presence and intricate engineering immediately evoked a sense of confidence and readiness for the challenging mountain journey. Every detail of this electric bike, from its robust construction to its thoughtfully integrated components, reflected the commitment of its designers by creating a machine that could handle demanding off-road conditions with a smooth and assured delivery. The journey began early in the morning when the mountain still held a dew-kissed calmness. As I mounted the Obsidian, I felt reassured solidity, a foundation built on 6061 aluminum alloy that promises durability without sacrificing weight. Weighing in at a nimble 77 pounds, the bike strikes a fine balance between robustness and manageability, perfect for those rugged mountain trails where agility is as important as strength. It was evident that every design choice, from the integration of an internal battery to the selection of a customized comfort leather seat, was meticulously engineered to offer both performance and comfort. The frame's internal battery housing not only contributes to the bike's sleek look, but also protects one of the most critical components, ensuring that the power source remains secure even on the roughest paths. While navigating the mountainous paths, the bike's shock-absorbing design was put to the test on uneven, rocky surfaces. Equipped with a 130mm adjustable suspension front fork, the Mokwheel Obsidian absorbed shocks with remarkable efficiency, giving me a sense of smooth continuity even when the road was anything but predictable. The integration of a dual suspension system truly shined as it tackled steep inclines and jittery terrain, where the suspension system's adaptability allowed me to maintain control and performance seamlessly. In the midst of challenging curves and sudden drops, I came to appreciate the refined engineering behind these systems. The advanced damping and spring systems designed to absorb shocks and vibrations made rough tracks feel like a well-cushioned ride, giving a sublime sense of security during every twist and turn of my ride. The heart of the experience lay in the bike's formidable 1300-watt peak power motor, which delivered a surge of energy that was both powerful and refined. When faced with steep inclines, the bike's peak power motor worked harmoniously with the intelligent torque and cadence sensors, producing a steady, controlled burst of acceleration that effortlessly helped me conquer challenging hills. As I pedaled, the sensors communicated with the electric assistance system to gauge the appropriate level of boost, ensuring that the transition between manual and assisted driving was so seamless that I rarely even noticed the change. This integration of sensors enabled a ride that felt both natural and responsive, allowing me to relish the mountain air while the bike handled everything from steep ascents to rapid descents with an impressive degree of control and precision. The electric assistance system, aided by a powerful semi-integrated battery rated at 42 volts and 94 watts, offered a substantial range of up to 80 miles under optimal conditions, providing the independence necessary for long, uninterrupted journeys through the vast terrains of North Georgia. It was a relief to know that I could traverse the rugged back roads and unexplored trails with a generous buffer of energy remaining, an assurance that is particularly important in remote areas where charging options are scarce. Moreover, the battery's sleek integration into the frame not only contributed to the overall protection of the unit, but also maintained the clean lines of the bike's design, an element that enthusiasts of well-engineered machines will undoubtedly appreciate. Handling unpredictable weather and varying landscapes is never easy, yet the Obsidian's robust 26 by 4 inch puncture-resistant fat tires ensured a steady grip even on slippery or loose surfaces. As I maneuvered along narrow, tree-lined paths, the tires held the terrain with an unwavering grip that instilled confidence. Their width and resilience made it possible to traverse muddy patches and gravel roads without the fear of unexpected slips or discomfort. The bike's impressive payload capacity of 400 pounds further accentuated its readiness to handle a range of scenarios, from carrying additional gear for a lengthy mountain trip to accommodating a more robust load during everyday commuting. Every component of the bike seemed to operate with a synchrony designed to match the challenging demands of rugged mountain riding. Transitioning gears on steep, twisting mountain roads is often a test of both rider skill and bike efficiency. In this regard, the Mokwheel Obsidian shone with its 8-speed Shimano derailleur system. The gear transitions were characterized by smooth, seamless shifts that allowed me to easily adapt to varying inclines and declines. I found that even on rapid ascents, the system provided immediate responsiveness, letting me maintain momentum without the frustration of missed shifts or chain drops. This reliability in shifting not only enhanced the overall performance of the ride, but also added a layer of enjoyment to the journey, as every gear change contributed to a more efficient use of energy and a continuously engaging riding experience. It was clear that the designers paid close attention to both mechanical integrity and the rider's experience, ensuring that the technological components worked in concert to deliver an unparalleled performance. The integration of a thumb throttle added another dimension to the experience by providing immediate control over the bike's power output. With a gentle push, I could engage a burst of energy that complemented my pedaling, allowing me to make quick adjustments in speed. This feature was particularly useful on open stretches where maintaining a steady pace was vital, and in situations where rapid acceleration was required to merge with traffic or overcome a sudden incline. The smooth activation of the throttle meant that every push of my thumb was translated into a fluid response, creating a ride experience that felt both empowered and controlled. I was able to focus fully on the path ahead while the bike handled the complexities of power distribution and acceleration, ensuring that I remained both relaxed and in command. The inclusion of the LED integrated display served not only as a practical tool, but also as a focal point for monitoring the bike's status in real time. This vibrant display provided essential information such as speed, battery life, and other critical metrics at a glance, allowing me to adjust my strategy throughout the ride. The display's clarity ensured that even in the diffused light of early morning or under the occasional canopy of rugged trees, I could easily track my progress. It was a subtle reminder of the technological sophistication underpinning the Obsidian, a machine that blends the latest in electronic monitoring and traditional mechanical craftsmanship. The LED display was not a distraction, but rather an extension of the bike's intelligence, providing a discrete yet invaluable stream of data that enhanced my understanding and enjoyment of the journey. Riding through the varied terrains of North Georgia, I felt that the bike's comprehensive design was well suited to both long rides and short, spirited trips. The blend of high-power components and finely tuned sensor technology fostered a ride experience that was inherently adaptive, thriving in environments where the demands could shift dramatically within moments. Whether it was the rapid burst of acceleration needed to surge up a steep incline, or the patient, measured power output required for a long, steady climb, the Obsidian adapted to every scenario with a commendable degree of reliability. As I navigated through dense, foggy mornings and bright, sunlit afternoons, the bike's performance remained consistently impressive, allowing me to focus on the breathtaking natural beauty surrounding the rugged trails without unnecessary interruptions or worries about mechanical shortcomings. The ride through the North Georgia mountains served as an extensive field test, exposing the Obsidian to a range of challenging conditions. In narrow mountain passes, the sturdy tires and responsive suspension systems allowed me to maneuver with ease, while the integrated LED display offered a constant stream of updates that kept me informed about battery life and speed. The lighting system and its high-intensity light beams ensured that every shadowy bend of the mountain path was illuminated with clarity, proving invaluable during moments when the sun began its descent. The journey had not only tested the technical limits of the bike, but also offered a profoundly personal experience. It reminded me that in the heart of the mountains, where nature and technology intersect, there is a unique opportunity to feel both invigorated and at peace. The Mokwheel Obsidian Electric Bike stood as a testament to the future of off-road exploration, a future in which powerful mechanics and thoughtful design come together to redefine the way we experience our surroundings. As I made my way home, the memories of the ride, the hum of the motor, and the responsive handling of the bike all left an indelible mark on my experience, a reminder of what is possible when technology and nature align perfectly. In conclusion, the journey through the North Georgia mountains on the Mokwheel Obsidian Electric Bike was not merely a ride, it was a comprehensive experience that underscored the exceptional engineering and thoughtful design that define this machine. From the impressive 1,300-watt motor delivering a steady surge of power to the responsive dual suspension and precision engineered components, every aspect of the bike worked harmoniously to create a ride that was both engaging and deeply satisfying. The integration of advanced sensor technology with traditional mechanical components provided a user experience that felt intuitive and deeply connected to the physical landscape. The opportunity to tackle challenging mountain roads with a bike that offers a remarkable range, robust construction, and reliable performance is something that riders who seek out both adventure and practical functionality are sure to appreciate. During my time on the trail, the Mokwheel Obsidian Electric Bike continuously revealed its strength in seamlessly adapting to the rugged terrain of the North Georgia mountains. It brought together powerful motor technology, a highly responsive braking system, and a comfortable adjustable seating configuration, all of which contributed to a ride experience that was both safe and engaging. Every moment of the journey served to reinforce the impression that this bike is not just a mode of transportation, but a dynamic partner in exploration, one that invites riders to push their limits while ensuring they remain secure and in control throughout the entire ride. The blend of power, technology, and comfort was evident in every mile traveled, making it clear that the Mokwheel Obsidian is engineered for those who demand performance and quality in equal measure. The rigorous ride through challenging mountain roads ultimately transformed into a series of moments that celebrated the ingenuity behind modern electric bike design. As the sun set over the peaks of North Georgia, painting the sky in vibrant hues, I knew that the memory of this ride and the profound capabilities of the Obsidian would remain etched in my mind. It was a reminder that the future of off-road riding belongs to machines that are not only built to conquer challenging landscapes, but also designed with an eye towards reliability, comfort, and the seamless integration of cutting-edge technology. Through long hours spent crisscrossing rugged mountains and meandering along hidden paths, the journey with the Mokwheel Obsidian proved to be both a celebration of engineering and an exploration of nature's grandeur. The ride was marked with an impressive synergy between the mechanical components that form the backbone of the bike and the intelligent technologies that make each journey a smooth and responsive experience. The experience was rich, with moments of refined control, a fusion of human endeavor and cutting-edge mechanics that made every mile traversed a testament to the bike's remarkable design philosophy. In this way, the Obsidian Electric Bike transcends the role of a simple transportation device, emerging instead as an enabler of adventure and a guardian of comfort, ready to meet the challenges of any rugged trail. Looking back on the ride, it is evident that the Mokwheel Obsidian Electric Bike is a standout choice for riders who appreciate the fusion of raw power, thoughtful engineering, and cutting-edge technology. The journey through the North Georgia mountains served as a perfect proving ground for this machine, a real-world test that confirmed its readiness to handle even the most demanding conditions with grace and precision. The way the bike managed steep inclines, unpredictable terrain, and long stretches of challenging road is a strong indicator of its potential to become a trusted companion for those who venture out into nature, seeking both challenge and a deep, fulfilling connection with the world around them. Ultimately, the ride on the Mokwheel Obsidian Electric Bike was a testament to what modern engineering can accomplish when every detail is addressed with precision and care. Its ability to transform a rugged mountain journey into a series of beautifully choreographed moments of power, control, and comfort speaks volumes about its design and build quality. For anyone looking to explore challenging mountain roads with confidence and assurance, this bike offers an experience that blends cutting-edge technology with the timeless appeal of unbridled exploration, allowing the rider to truly immerse themselves in the natural world without compromise. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.